Elon Musk has teased a Tesla X phone powered by Starlink for years, fueled by rumors, missed release dates, and mounting skepticism. But the wait is over. This first look is insane. A $275 phone packed with revolutionary tech. Let's dive in. Tesla was uniquely positioned to launch a non-Android smartphone, and this Pi phone proves it. Want a self-healing screen, scam protection, or advanced navigation all for $275? You're about to find out why this could redefine what a phone should be. If you've been craving something fresh, hit subscribe and ring that bell to join our 89,759 strong Tesla fan community. 1. Auto self-repair display. Imagine a phone that mends its own scratches, no repair shop needed. Drop it. Get scratches. Avoid that $300 bill because Tesla's Pi phone uses a polymer coating rich with microcapsules. Scratch happens. Capsules burst. Resin fills the groove. Cures in 2 hours. Scratches under 10 microns vanish. Even deeper damage. Up to 85% cosmetic healing. You'll save about $129 per repair, with up to $300 annually. This tech works at room temperature. No tools, no human help, far beyond Gorilla Glass or Apple Ceramic Shield. Critics say self-healing is slow, but Tesla's proven materials and battery tech show it's production ready for 2025. This isn't just another screen needs a self-fixing revolution. 2. ScamShield AI. Scammers use $12 billion from consumers in 2020 for deepfakes, AI impersonations, bank phishing that fool even experts. Enter Tesla ScamShield AI built-in menace detector. It analyzes calls, texts, emails, media, and device using XAI's neural nets trained on 18 million scam samples and over 10,000 scam patterns. Results: approximately 95% accurate deepfake detection and 90% fewer successful scams. Everything runs locally. Cloud leak, so your data never leaves your phone. No other phone offers that level of built-in protection, way beyond basic call screening. Imagine your phone stopping threats before you ever see them. That's tech defending you. 3. Vision Sense Haptic AI. What if your phone could guide you through the world via touch? For 285 million visually impaired people, Tesla's Vision Sense Haptic AI changes everything. Using the 108 MP camera, advanced vision AI, haptic feedback, and Starlink mapping, it reads surroundings and delivers guidance through vibrations. Short pulses equals turn. Long pulses equals obstacle. Rapid pulses equals arrived. Real-time accuracy, 0.5s response, 90% object detection, plus audio descriptions like red car approaching from the right, 10 meters. Customizable haptics for comfort. No reliance on Wi-Fi or 5G. Starlink ensures global reach. This isn't voiceover, it's translating space into touch. By 2028, it's expected to help 50 million users regain independence. 4. Cold lockdown mode. With 400 million smartphones stolen yearly and tons of private data at risk, Tesla's cold lockdown mode locks everything down the moment theft is detected. It uses AI to sense odd movement, GPS jumps, Face ID fails, and in 0.5 seconds, it cuts off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Starlink, and locks data with AES 256 encryption. The only escape: unlock with a recovery key from your Tesla cloud account or vehicle. No resets possible without Tesla Quantum Secure ID. If your phone isn't recovered in 24 hours, it auto. Theft costs globally hit $7 billion per year, but this could slash losses by 80%. It's not just tracking, it's turning your phone into a digital vault. True, from self-repairing screens to AI scam protection, haptic navigation, and ultra lockdown features, this $275 Pi phone may truly be the miracle in your pocket. Are you ready for a phone that works for you, not the other way around? Smash that like button if you're impressed. Drop your thoughts below, and if you want to stay ahead of Tesla's next bombshell, subscribe and hit the bell, because next time it'll be even bigger.